Theo, you got the bony bone? You got the bony bone, huh? Uh-oh, he's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. Where are you going, Theo? Where are you going? You are silly. Silly. Hey, silly. Ow! Echo. Extreme close-up. Extreme close-up. Ouch. There's the puppy. There's the puppy.
When tis I getting my YouTube accounts?
Never.
When I get back from Detroit.
When are you going to Detroit?
No.
I'll ship you there when you're...
Theo. How come you always come and get me? I can't do anything. I can't take your picture if you come and get me all the time. Get Jack.
No, not my pudding.
Get Jack and his pudding. Do you gotta go? Do you gotta go? Do you gotta go?
My poor pudding is cold.
Aww. What are you doing, Theo? Theo. 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 What you doing? It's Theo the dog. He's a very vicious dog, I tell you. He's vicious and ferocious. And he likes to eat grass. Come on, Theo, do something. Do something. Grass and leaves. Theo, do something. It's a giant dog eye. Right here. Come on, get it. It's cheese.
I'm too lazy.
Cheese. Theo, come on. Get
He's
it.
like, stop bothering me, you old fart.
It's cheese.
He's like, I know that.
It's cheese, Theo. Get it. Now it's right by you. There's no reason why you can't get it.
Your face, he says.
Right here. Cheese. Cheese. Yeah, yum yum. Is that good? Is that good? Huh? Want more? Of course I want more.